Hello and welcome to Innovative Studio. Guys, this is Shakil, and today, first of all, I would like to thanks you guys. You are liking my videos as always, and you appreciating me on this. Once more, request to you all. Please subscribe and like my videos. Uh, this is the request. And today's video is regarding the integrating Swagger UI into our application. So we will start here for integrating. Let me know you how it will work. Basically, Swagger UI offer web-based interface to allow anyone to interact with the APIs without having knowing its implementation. So it's automatically generate our OpenAPI specification and it allow easy documentation visualization which anyone can use to understand and can be used to see those API stubs and as well as the schema of the this API which we show you by using the Swagger. So let's start and I will show you how we can implement this one. So here we have a Visual Studio 2019. So we have a project here and this is the innovative web APIs. Basically, it's for the studio, innovative studio, and we are going to implement the news APIs. And you can see here news API controller, which have multiple web interfaces, and we will implement to this to get news, to update news, to delete news, and to show the list of news. So, guys, uh, before we are going to implement this, let me know you how we can implement this one. Basically, you will right click on your project and go to the manage Nugget packages, and in Nugget packages we will install the Swashbuckle. Basically, Swashbuckle is the base of our this Swagger API implementation. So this one, which is swashbuckle.ASP.NET Core, this will be installed to implement this Swagger UI. So I'm going to install it. It will take a minute or so. So let's install it. And I will uh, going to accept this one, all its terms and condition. So we have installed this one and you can see it's installed 6.4.0 version. So next step to that, we will go to our startup file, which is configuration file. Basically, two configuration we will do here by using I configuration interface. Basically, in the configuration services, we will register the Swagger to generate Swagger documentation. So here we will add the services.addGen and will mention here in the constructor of this one, we will mention the version, doc version, we will mention OpenAPI info and title of this API and version of this API. This we will add into configure services method, and next to that we have to add uh, the configure services setting as well. Here you can see we have to enable the middleware to serve generate the Swagger as JSON endpoints. So we will add here app.use Swagger, which will enable middleware to serve UI, HTML, JS, CSS, and etc. So specifying this JSON endpoints, app.use Swagger UI, it will mention that it will be expose the endpoints using this JSON configuration file as well. So by adding the setting, we have enabled this API, which is integrated with the Swagger UI. Base of the Swagger UI is Swashbuckle, and using that we are implemented this one. Now I will run the project and will show you Swagger implementation for this API. Let's start and play this one. So once it will be open in a browser, we will show you. Basically, the implementation of this API controller, news controller is hidden. That's why on this page I'm showing nothing. Now using Swagger, I will show you how our implementation. Guys, this is our implementation integration. We have integrated this Swagger, and you can see here uh, our all information regarding the API controller which we have implemented. Our innovative API shows the information about the our stuff which are implemented here. You can see API news. You can get all the news by using this tab. I can show you here. So try out this one and execute this one. And right below here, you can see all the JSON which is returned in the form of list of news. We can see here. Same way you can see other stuffs here to post news, to get by ID, to modify by ID and delete by ID as well. As well as we have the schema information. You can see here the news model class metadata have its type mentioned here. ID is in type and headline string type nullable true, and other column as well as also have their data type. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please keep like my videos and subscribe my channel as well as. So once again, thank you so much.